What if I told you you could make a fully finished YouTube video in under 5 minutes, without filming anything, without recording your voice, and without even knowing how to edit? If you're into AI tools that save you time and help you make money online, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Trust me, there's so much more coming and you don't want to miss it. And make sure you stick with me till the end, because if you skip even one tiny step, you might miss the key to making your video go viral. Seriously. All right, let's get into it. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to make videos. Perfect for beginners, using a tool called AI VideoGen. It's an AI platform that lets you create full videos just by typing a few lines of text. We'll go through it together, step by step, and I'll show you exactly what's happening on my screen so you can follow along easily. First, open up your browser and go to the website. I'll drop the link down below in the YouTube description. This is the tool we're going to use to make our video. Once you land on the home page, you'll see how clean and simple the interface is. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it all. If you don't have an account yet, no problem. Just click the Sign Up button at the top right corner. You can sign up with Google to save time. That's what I usually do. Already have an account? Just click Log In and you're ready to go. Now, here comes the fun part. Right on the home page, you'll see a search bar that says something like, Enter your keyword. For example, let's say you want to make a video called 7 Habits That Make You Emotionally Strong. Just type that phrase right in. And don't overthink it. You don't need to be perfect here. Just type in what you want to talk about and let the AI handle the rest. Once you've chosen your idea, you'll see a few settings. You can pick 300 words, 600 words, or even enter a custom length. If you're just starting out, I recommend going shorter. Short videos usually hold people's attention better. The platform supports English, Vietnamese, Spanish, and more. For this tutorial, let's go with English, especially if you're creating for a US audience. Next up, time to choose a voiceover. You'll get a variety of voices to pick from: male, female, soft, bold, you name it. Pick whatever fits your content and audience. If your channel focuses on personal development or business, a calm and clear female voice often works really well. And the best part? You don't have to record your voice or pay for voice actors. It's all done by the AI. This is where your video becomes uniquely yours. Once the AI generates the script, you'll see an editor screen. You can reword any parts that don't sound quite right. Add a call to action, like subscribe now. Sprinkle in some personal stories or humor. Adjust the tone to match your style. Think of it like this. The AI cooked the meal, but you get to season it your way before serving. Once your script feels good, just hit that big Generate Video button. AI VideoGen will take everything you set up, the script, voice, visuals, and automatically generate a full video. Give it a few minutes. You can literally go grab a coffee while it's processing. And that's it. Your video is ready. Click the download button. You can choose HD or 4K depending on how crispy you want it to look. Then upload it to your favorite platform. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels. Just don't forget to add a catchy title and use keywords in the description. That helps your video get discovered. Let's be honest. Not everyone has time to learn Premiere Pro or the budget to hire an editor. With AI VideoGen, you get to save time, videos in minutes, save money. No freelancers or expensive software. Look pro, even as a beginner. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, working a side hustle, or just curious, this tool gives you a real shot at building a YouTube channel and creating online income. And that's it, my friend. If you found this tool interesting or have any questions, drop them in the comments. I actually read them all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video about making money with AI. I'm Benedict from Benedict AI World, wishing you creativity, growth, and a whole lot of passive income. Catch you in the next video.